You breathe 20,000 times a day. But what if your air is poisoned? NASA scientists found these 5 plants destroy formaldehyde, mold, and even cancer-causing benzene. The snake plant works night shifts. Lab tests show it removes 1,328 micrograms of toxins hourly while converting your exhaled CO2 into oxygen, perfect for bedrooms. Spider plants are carbon monoxide vacuums. Korean researchers found they eliminate 95% while being indestructible, even thrives under artificial light. The reigning champion. Boston ferns remove 1,863 micrograms of formaldehyde hourly while acting as natural humidifiers, just don't skip watering days. Peace lilies are mold assassins. University of Florida found they reduce airborne spores by 60% and neutralize ammonia from cleaners, but keep them away from curious pets. This palm is an office hero. It destroys xylene from printers while releasing a liter of purified water daily, nature's air conditioner. Plants are 15x cheaper than filters. Their secret? Root microbes that digest toxins like Pac-Man. Cluster 3+ plants for exponential cleaning. Smash that like button if your lungs deserve these green guardians. Drop requests in the comments. Coming next, houseplants that secretly poison you.